When it came to the front end of this bus, after the roo hit it, ripped the visor off, ripped off the stone guard, smashed the windscreen, which had been repaired to some extent before we bought it, but the front end face of the bus was pretty severely damaged with lots of dents. The supporting struts had been separated from the panel itself, and the metal had lost its integrity. So in the end, we decided to take it to a professional panel beater, and here's the job he did.